Inspired by his grandfather, a physician, Lawrence Daniel Devoe, MD, decided to enter the field of medicine at the age of 5. He subsequently pursued an education at the prestigious Harvard University, from which he earned a Bachelor of Arts in 1966. Dr. Devoe concluded his formal academic efforts at the University of Chicago, graduating with a Doctor of Medicine in 1970 before completing an internship in 1971. Following these accomplishments, Dr. Devoe served in the Medical Corps of the U.S. Army at the rank of captain between 1971 and 1973. He returned to the University of Chicago to complete an Obstetrics and Gynecology residency in 1976, followed by a fellowship in maternal-fetal medicine from 1978 to 1979. He was appointed as an assistant professor of obstetrics and gynecology from 1976 to 1983. Dr. Devoe obtained his board certification in obstetrics, gynecology, and maternal-fetal medicine from the American Board of Obstetrics and Gynecology. In the years that followed, Dr. Devoe became a faculty member in the OBGYN department of the Medical College of Georgia at Augusta University, the flagship medical school of the University System of Georgia. Initially working as an associate professor from 1983 to 1989, he further excelled at the aforementioned college as the director of maternal-fetal medicine from 1984 to 2005, the chair of obstetrics and gynecology from 1996 to 2006, and a tenured professor of obstetrics and gynecology from 1989 to 2010. Since retiring from full-time practice in 2010, Dr. Devoe was appointed as Professor Emeritus with the Medical College of Georgia and continued to work part-time in the OBGYN department until June 30th, 2020. From 1983 to 2020, Dr. Devoe was additionally active as a consultant in obstetrics to the Dwight D. Eisenhower Army Medical Center in Fort Gordon, Georgia. Providing his wealth of knowledge to more than 250 articles published in medical journals throughout his career, he also authored Computer Applications for Perinatology in 1993. Furthermore, Dr. Devoe was recruited to be the editor-in-chief of the Journal of Reproductive Medicine in 2004, a position that he still holds. Dr. Devoe has likewise maintained his affiliation with a number of esteemed medical organizations over the course of his storied career. He has notably held several administrative positions with the Society for Maternal-Fetal Medicine, the South Atlantic Association of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, the Georgia Perinatal Association, the Southern Perinatal Association, and the Augusta OBGYN Society. Moreover, Dr. Devoe has been associated with the American Institute of Ultrasound in Medicine, the Richmond County Medical Society, the Chicago Gynecologic Society, the Society for Maternal-Fetal Medicine, and the International Society for Computers in Obstetrics, Neonatology, and Gynecology, to name a few. In addition to his primary professional responsibilities, Dr. Devoe flourished as a former board member, vice president, and president of the Augusta Opera Association between 1987 and 2006. Since 1981, he has been distinguished as a Fellow of the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. Dr. Devoe has also been profiled in multiple editions of Who's Who in Science and Engineering, as well as individual volumes of Who's Who in American Education, Who's Who in Medicine and Healthcare, and Who's Who in the South, as well as the Best Doctors in America. As a testament to his extraordinary career in medicine and education, Dr. Devoe has been presented with distinguished faculty awards from the Medical College of Georgia in 2010 and 2012, the Richard Turpin Faculty of the Year recognition from the Medical College of Georgia in 2010, and Purdue Frederick Awards from the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists in 1981, 1986, and 1991. He was additionally honored with the Charles Hunter Memorial Prize from the South Atlantic Association of Obstetricians and Gynecologists in 1987, the Resident Teaching Award from the Council on Resident Education in Obstetrics and Gynecology in 1996, and the Faculty Teaching Award from the Dwight D. Eisenhower Army Medical Center in 2001. Dr. Devoe also penned award-winning papers at annual meetings for the Southern Perinatal Association and the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists from 1987 to 1992. Originally intending to focus on general surgery, Dr. Devoe was encouraged by the chairperson of the OBGYN department at the University of Chicago to shift his attention to obstetrics and gynecology. He attributes his success to his hard work, his perseverance, thoroughness, and his innate curiosity regarding scientific matters in medicine. Likewise, Dr. Devoe was motivated by many different mentors, including his grandfather, Dr. Lewis D. Smith, Dr. Frederick Zuspin, Dr. Louis Sibils, Dr. Uwe Fries, and Dr. Paul McDonough. Dr. Devoe was especially proud to have utilized his skills to help secure good outcomes for his patients. His work has impacted the lives of thousands of people, including colleagues, residents, fellows, students, and those in need of his exceptional medical services. In the coming years, Dr. Devoe hopes to continue enjoying his well-deserved retirement alongside his loved ones.